Welcome back. A complaint has been filed against GPCC President John Fernandes with Mapusa police for abusing and threatening. Former Panchayat member of Nashnara village Satish Govekar has filed the complaint against John Fernandes. John cleared that the complainant was defying party decisions and it doesn't feel giving importance to such individuals.
Former Panchayat member and former secretary of Nashnara Block Congress Satish Govekar has filed a police complaint that GPCC President John Fernandes abused him when asked about block committee formation.
हावें खऱ्यांनीच एक अशी मेसेज धाडली की सर तुम्ही इलेक्शन पर्यंत अध्यक्ष आसा गोयचे काँग्रेस कमिटीचे जे तुम्ही मजा करात आणि तुमकां जाय ती डिसिजनां घेयात पूण हेज्या फुडें तुम्ही खरेंच जे 16 वर्सां भायर आसले इंडिया सोडून भायर आसले जो तुमकां योग्य जागो आसलो अशी म्हणून हांवें ताका म्हाजी एक फिलींग एक्सपिरियन्स करून सांगलें. ह्या जबाबाक तेणेन म्हाका जे उत्तर दिलें जे उत्तर हांव स्वता म्हाज्या तोंडान शब्द हाडूंक सोदिना कित्याक तें उत्तर हांवें ऑलरेडी म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशन कंप्लेन केल्या पळय ते कंप्लेनीन सगळें मेन्शन केल्लें आसा.
After receiving SMS from John Fernandes, Satish Govekar lodged a complaint with Mapusa police. John Fernandes says, "I don't care for such people defying party decisions.
When I take a decision, nobody can threaten me through anonymous calls. He may be a party man or not, so I don't want to go into those details. You know only one part of the story. Let us not get to it. Let us not give them importance. They deserve no importance."
On the intervening night of Friday and Saturday, Constable Sagar Naik along with other colleagues was on night patrolling in Kampal area. The patrolling team saw a few people gathered in a park. When the policemen approached to question them, they fled from the spot. Constable Sagar Naik chased them and saw Theodore Miskita drinking liquor in his lobby. Constable Sagar asked him to go inside, but Theodore instead assaulted Sagar.
On the intervening night of Friday and Saturday, Constable Sagar Naik along with other colleagues was on night patrolling in Kampal area. The patrolling team saw few people gathered in a park. When the policemen approached to question them, they fled from the spot. Constable Sagar Naik went behind them and saw Theodore Miskita drinking liquor in his lobby. Constable Sagar asked him to go inside, but Theodore came outside and assaulted Sagar.
Our constable on our PCR vehicle number 2, Sagar Naik, had gone to Kampal for patrolling, and since there were dogs barking in the area, he just went on foot to check the situation there. One fellow residing in house number 150, that is Solar Miskita house, came down and argued with him and assaulted the said constable.
Sagar Naik's leg is fractured and he is being operated for injuries at Goa Medical College.
Constable has grievous injury, his leg has been fractured. Constable is present in GMC, is undergoing the operation.
Panji police have booked Theodore Miskita for assaulting a policeman on duty.
We have charged him under section 353, 333 and 504, that is assault on public servant while discharging his official duties and causing grievous hurt.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Congress leader Momin Gudino is taking decisions under tension. NCP and Congress leaders said this at a press briefing in Vasco. Heavyweight of Congress, Momin is now supporting the BJP candidate in South Goa for Lok Sabha poll. Meanwhile, NCP leader Jose Philip D'Souza criticized CM Parrikar for taking people for granted. Jose Philip said, "Every vote is counted and valued."
जेन्ना तो एक लीडर म्हणटा पळय ते बॅकग्राउंडान तेका कदाचित हांव नकळो खंयच्या टेन्शनान तो कित्याक तो असो निर्णय घेवंक शकना. बऱ्या पैकी तो विधानसभा गाजयणार आमचो लीडर आमकां खूब दूख दिसता ज्या प्रमाणे स्टेटमेंट केले जाता. म्हाका दिसता तो खंयच्या तरी एका टेन्शनान अशे निर्णय घेता ना. आमी म्हणटा तो खंयच्या तरी एका टेन्शनान मे बी ताका कसले तरी टेन्शन आहा त्या टेन्शनान तो निर्णय घेता कित्याक तो एक बेस्ट लीडर बेस्ट स्पोकर तोच जाणा आसतलो तो कित्याक निर्णय घेता ते.
जेन्ना हो मनीस हे भाशेन तरी स्टेटमेंट करता तो मनोहर पर्रेकर स्टेटमेंट करता जाल्यार तेजे तो जाणा लोकांक मस्ट बी ही इज टेकिंग ग्रांटेड. हो लोकांक तो मातशें हें म्हणटा कितें तुमी यू आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर अस. That is the message we are getting today. As here चुकीचे पण as a house आता एक nationalist Congress party and since दोग जण आज MP election बसले लोकसभाच्या हांव तेका सांगता this statement they will never make like this statement in the future also.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.